Stacy hooked us up again. He's always telling me, oh, I fixed my pinion angle because of you. I got it right now. Woo! Stacy's the man. Look what he did. He hooked us up, man. I appreciate you, brother. I'm gonna hook this up, man. Stacy hooked this up. Look at this. I'm gonna put a little switch inside. Boom. Plenty of fuel, bro. Hey, the track's not good. I don't know. It's not that great. They put down sticky, but people are like, no. Look at this car here. Look at that car. Oh, man. That's horrible. I hate when people ruin their cars, man. So this is fuel in. And this is flow. Fuel in. Do away with the filter that I had in there.
Rain will end. That's where you make the U-turn.